going from the top of the mountain down there without any obstacles in between. We are being traveling towards another world. Tranquility was there. That's what I experienced. And I think that we'll have some more sessions like this which will really give us the input and insight how to present ourselves in today's situation. So teacher is a teacher. Teacher knows what are the roles and the responsibilities. But we have to adjust and adapt ourselves to the requirement, to the expectations. But also and then again the role of the teacher is the ultimate. So to how to cope up with today's pressure to see that we achieve that, for that only we need some sessions. We look forward and we'll be with user. And as she rightly said, one thing about my goodies over here is everything and everything they take it seriously. And they never say why this. For you, they may feel initially, but when they experience it, when they enjoy it, when they recapitulate what has happened, they come and tell me, ma'am, that was wonderful. So I know that they are going to take it to the classrooms also, hopefully, and I thank Almighty for having